Trick Toy review, please subscribe. Hi friends, today I'm gonna open Stephanie's baking contest Lego friends. So on the back it shows like this is Stephanie's kitchen and this is Dave's kitchen. There's like a clock and you'll see like there's like the spinning thing. Whatever cake it lands on, and whatever cake it lands on, that's what they have to make. And look right over here. It's like funny like files here on Dave's kitchen. So let's get opening now. We got bag 1, we got bag 3, and also we got bag 2. We got bag 2 and it's like spinning. And we got this spinning thing. So yeah, I don't know what is this. So let's see what else is in here. Okay, there's something else. And then this is like how to build it. Oh, look, it's Emma. It's Emma taking a photo and saying, win. It's cute, right? Okay, let's do it. Let's open it. So bag 1, let's start with bag 1. Let's start with bag 1. I like how they like have like these bag 1, bag 2, and bag 3. So then you know what bag order you should put it in. So let's
You should use scissors, Rika.
Oops.
That's okay.
I'll get it down. I'll get it down.
Okay.
But we still got a few stuff open.
Yeah. That was like Rika?
Explosion.
Explosion? Yeah. Open it slow. You can
I'll
open,
take
use
this
your scissors, carefully open it.
Kids, if you're big like me, 7 years old, be careful with scissors because I'm 7, so I can do it carefully. Take a little snip and then don't make it like explosion again. Okay, let's see, let's open it. Carefully. Open it carefully. So we're gonna open it carefully. Put the bag aside and we got like a few accessories. So these are like 2 accessories. These are like accessories. Oh my God, so I wanna keep like, I'm gonna open this accessory and put it here. So let me take this. And then let's have like this. Put it right over here, next to bag 3. Let's open accessories. So put it right over here. Now let's get with the book and see what we have here. Bag 1. Yeah, pull it out. We pulled it out. Let's see. Okay, let's now build Stephanie. Let's build Stephanie. So we got like her face. Oh, okay, here is her baking outfit. And let's find like, is it like this? Of course, no, it's not this. So let's now get,
Now you're making Stephanie?
Yeah, we're gonna make Stephanie. So let's find her suit. Okay, she got a big thing. It looks like a skirt, and let's see on it. So she got, and now this is her apron. She's wearing her apron right now. Oh, we got a gold medal. For 70. She got a gold medal. Yay! So let's still build it. Let's see here. Step 1, we have to find this, like, okay. And then we have to put this, like, long part, like, over here. And then there should be, like, this. I don't know. Do it. Okay. And then we should, like, take these pieces. Okay, these pieces. Got 2 of them right over here. Now, attach them. Let's right now attach them like this. And you'll see it's like this. And now let's go on page. Let's not go on our okay. So then we go like this. Now let's, ooh, something just fell down. Oh, just like something. Now let's try to find it. Oh, it's a like. Where is it? I can't find it. Oh, I just want a little spoon. Cute. A few bows, like. Okay, only this piece and another same piece, I think. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. Okay, we got this piece. So we're gonna build Stephanie's kitchen. So right now you might wonder, well, what are we building? And we're building Stephanie's kitchen. So we'll have to put this side. Oh no, Stephanie fell down. Oh, I see someone else also. I'm looking, and you'll see like someone else is here with a pink, beautiful pie. A pink, beautiful pie. And let's add her chef. So let's see on the box. Let's see on the box. Oh, so this is Little.
Lily?
Lily. So this means her name is Lily.
Lily? Oh,
Yeah.
her name is Lily?
Yeah, she's
Okay.
wearing her chef hat. So these are 2 of the characters that we found, and there's one more. And I'm trying to find like this blue thing. Oh, here it is. So just have to put it. Okay. Let's right now put it like this. Let's see. How do I put it? Got it. I think it's like, so you should, it's not good. It's not good. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks like. You see, it's like, okay, this is how it looks like. Let's now go. And now we should put like, this part. I don't know, I know. So then we should like attach here. So then let's attach this white block here. And I see that it has only one. So I think it's like this. So we are gonna see it. So let's add this flat thing. Oh my God. Okay, let's see here. So we should add it on top. And then we should add until it comes like that. And then top again. And again. got this. And now let's see, this is Stephanie's flow, I think. I don't know what it is. So let's turn on the other page. Oh, you have to add this yellow things. Can you see? So let's build it. Can you see like you'll see like there's like the yellow thing. Oh, so we'll just need this. It shows that you'll need that. And one little tiny. Okay, here's one. And here's the other. Here's another. And then we'll have these. Let's put it on these. So I don't know what it is. So you'll see like this here, so let's build it. Oh, there's one more piece, so you have to put this on top. Got it?
Oh, wow.
And have to do that. And now we have to turn on the other page. Turn the other block. Oh, that's what the other block is for. Let's right now see the sink. So we have to like, oh. And then we'll need this. I'm so sorry that I cannot film the whole video. There were things that I was building, so I'll just show you what I was building. You might see like, you'll see that I have built in this. So we got a whole filming with a microphone, and we got this. We got the trophy with this, with the cord. I want to put the camera right over here. And this is Stephanie's wash and go hands. I have built in a blender and a spoon as an accessory for Stephanie. I got a spoon as accessory for Stephanie. So let's continue building. Let me put these aside. So I was building this. So this is what I was building. I was building this. So I was searching. Kids, can you help me find these pieces? I was searching for them. This piece I'm trying to search. So I was just finding. I was trying to find those pieces, but I thought. Oh, this piece?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, they have to be connected. I don't have another of these pieces. There's not another. So we got the sticker sheet. Let's see. Let's build this piece. Let's go on the other page. Ew, tuna. We got some. You know why it has this stinky thing? Ew. P-U. Ew. P-U. Who wants a fish like that? No one wants a fish like that. So let's keep on going. So let's see that it has. So on the next thing, we have to add this. Yummy cherry right over here. Let's add this yummy cherry. Yummy cherry. Let's add this yummy sweet cherry. my dad's favorite. Let's add me and my dad's favorite. Let's add this cherry now, and I'm trying to stick it on. Oh, there's another cherry, so. So let's now get building. So you will see right over here, she will be, and right now then there. So you will see very soon what I'm building. I'm just going to fix some random stuff. Maybe I need it. Whatever.
3 hours?
4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours.
So long to be here.
Okay, and Chica was playing that was just made for me. And if there's any fire, she got her own tray, so then she is gonna get all that. Okay. Oh no, her boa fell off. So let's have this boy. Let's put this boy somewhere else. Hey. How do we connect it? I saw it in a video, but I can't connect it. That's super duper false away. How Stephanie's saying something. So we're gonna, you might wonder what I'm making.
It's connected now.
Yeah, connected. And now, let's go. Guys.
Wow, we got last set, Shrika.
Yeah, we're gonna
What
watch
you
my
built so far?
So far I did this and it took like a lot of hours.
Oh, we have a cup here.
I'm so sorry I did that
And we have a camera here.
for now.
Yeah.
And I'm making my own thing.
And you made a clock nicely. No. There is Stephanie.
Stephanie. And
She's
of course,
here.
let's add a cup with a microphone right over here. And guess who's that? And let's give her accessory. Forgot accessory. And let's put this. So she's gonna be singing. Let's put it right now in Stephanie's kitchen. And let's put it. Please watch my next video for looking at Dave's kitchen. Back 3 is Dave's kitchen. So please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.